Good evening, students. Today we are going to start with the new chapter of mathematics, that is probability. Now, what do you mean by probability? Probability means chance. Probability means chance. Now, often you use these words that tomorrow it may rain. I might be going out for a dinner. So when we talk in terms of chances, when we are not sure about something and we say that it might happen, it may happen, there are chances, probably it will happen, it will be so. So all these things are nothing but they are probability. Now we are going to see probability as a mathematical term. Now there are some basic terms which you need to learn. First is experiment. Now an experiment is one activity which produces well defined outcomes. मतलब हमें पहले से मालूम है कि इसमें क्या क्या हो सकता है. For example, if I toss a coin, I know that it is either going to be heads or it is going to be tails. और if I roll a dice में जिससे लूडो खेलते हैं, I know that it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो जिसका हमको मालूम है कि क्या अलग अलग आंसर आ सकता है, what different outcomes you can have, that is known as experiment. Experiment is an activity in which from before only you know all the different answers or the results. Then you have random experiment. Now random experiment is an experiment whose all the outcomes or all the results we know from before, but right now when we are going to perform it, we don't know what we are going to get. For example, right now I am going to toss the coin. I know that the coin is going to give me either a heads or a tails, but do I know that right now when I am going to throw the dice what or the coin what I am going to get? आई डोंट नो दैट. अभी मुझे पता है अगर मेरे हाथ में कॉइन है, मुझे ये पता है कि इसको अगर मैं फेंकूंगी तो आई विल आइदर गेट अ हेड्स और अ टेल्स. बट डू यू नो दैट राइट नाउ व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू थ्रो इट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट? नो. सो इट बिकम्स अ random experiment. So random experiment is the experiment whose all the outcomes are known, but right now we cannot predict about the result of this particular experiment. Then we come to sample space. Sample space means the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is known as sample space. Now, if my random experiment is tossing a coin, then what are the outcomes? Head, comma, tails. So H, comma, T will be known as the sample space. And how it is written? We give a name to the sample space in the capital alphabet from A to Z. I can write A1, A2 also. Suppose I give the name A. So A equal to opening brace bracket H, capital H, comma, capital T and brace bracket ended. So this is your sample space of tossing a coin. Okay, so understood sample space. The event is a subset of the sample space. It is well-defined collection of some specific outcomes of an experiment. Suppose I tossed my coin. Okay, I tossed my coin. My random experiment was tossing of a coin and I got heads. So my event is head. The sample space is what different outcomes we can have, and event is the exact outcome that we got after performing the experiment. Now here specifically when we come to the coins, we will see in detail. You have to write the sample space of tossing 1 coin, 2 coins and 3 coins that we will be taking further. Then let us see what is an elementary event. The elementary event is an event which has got only one favorable outcome. Okay, for example, I am having 5 balls with me and each one is of a different color. One is white, one is black, one is red, one is blue and one is green. And then I say you that tell me my event is to draw a white ball. So how many ways I can do? There is only one ball. So only one outcome I am going to get because there is only one ball. So this is known as elementary event. If I say I am throwing the dice and I want a 6, ये भी elementary event है because 6 faces होते हैं और कितने बार 6 लिखा रहता है? एक ही बार लिखा रहता है. So it is a elementary event.